Hey everyone, want to create AI animations with Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your ideas and images into animated videos step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Start a new project using the AI video creation tools. Next, choose asterisk text to video asterisk or image to video, depending on the type of animation you want to create. Now write a detailed prompt describing your animation. Include the characters, movements, background, camera motion, lighting, and animation style for better results. If you're using an image, upload a clear image and describe how you want the subject to move or transform. Next, generate your animation and wait while Luma AI creates the video. Once the animation is ready, preview the result and improve it by adjusting your prompt or creating new versions. After getting the desired result, add extra elements like sound effects, music, captions, or voiceover using a video editing tool. Finally, export your AI animation and use it for social media, storytelling, presentations, or creative projects. And that's how to create AI animation with Luma AI. With detailed prompts and creative ideas, you can bring your concepts to life using AI-generated animations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.